Hi, good morning. We are here with one of the best gainers for the day on the exchange. The case of Yelp is a strong buy rating here. One of my calls ahead of earnings, upgrading or reiterating. In fact, a strong buy rating in Yelp at $37 plus. And you have to refer to the blog of the company, okay? And by the way, today you also have 20% gain in other company that I referred to ahead of earnings as one of the best stocks to buy immediately. I'm referring to Rocco at a price of $44. So you have to refer to this article on the blog of the company explaining the process in detail with the videos, with recommendations to cover your short positions ahead of new all-time highs. I'm going to refer to Yelp. Yelp, it is one of the calls available on video on demand. And by the way, you have here gains daily, 20% on my portfolio across different companies. The case of Twilio, this is a 4-digit profit. The case of Amazon, strong buys in $77. You have here the live screenshots. The case of Yelp, a strong buy, so $47 rocket profits, so autonomous trading. You have here the case of Rocco, okay? So this is one of the most important companies that you can also buy. And today you have $49 in Yelp, which is tremendous profit overnight in this company that no one believed in. But what I wanted also to show you here, because this is what really matters in the end, is if you click here on home, you have here hundreds of calls, all of them resulting into multi-million profits. I'm referring to my call ahead of earnings on Twitter, which you have here live, not only the case of Twitter as well as the case of Facebook, at $217 here, okay, selling and announcing that Facebook was going to crash. And the case of Twitter, that everyone was thinking that the stock was going to rally further to $55 or to $60. We announced that Twitter, the stock was going to crash. Twitter is a stock bubble at $47. The price that I downgraded Twitter. I sold it at 46. You have it here, okay, just have to play the video, made available on YouTube, completely for free. You have here the screenshots, okay, when to sell, downgrade to strong sell, the case of Twitter. And why am I showing you this? Because the company that you had to buy, it was precisely Yelp, okay? This is the company that no one believed in. This is the company that was trading at bear market prices while Twitter, it was a bubble. Do you understand? So congratulations for those that they followed my guidance, selling Twitter, going short the stock, buying shares of Yelp. In the end, you made a quadruple profit by selling your Twitter position at the top, betting on the crash, and buying shares of Yelp ahead of the best rally in this company for years, along with today the case that I already demonstrated of Rocco and many others, okay? That you have completely for free on the blog of the company. Thank you.